All this for a thumbnail. All this for a thumbnail. I did do a get ready with me style type of video. I hope it came out right. I haven't even yet edited, but this is the makeup I did. See, it looks, I don't know, it looks good on camera, but in person, I don't know. Let me stop. I always do that. Let me stop tearing myself down. Let me stop tearing myself down. It looks good, okay? It looks good. It's just something new that I never tried before. So I feel, I'm kind of ashy. I feel some type of way about it, but for the most part, for the video, it came out good. It came out good. My hair, I wanted to do my hair up in a bun, but it wasn't working out for me. My bun wasn't coming out how I wanted it to. So I just did like, I don't know, some type of situation right here. But I'm gonna go ahead and get ready and take this picture outside. I just have on, so you guys can see, let me come this way. My bra is definitely showing in this because it's black. I don't have any nude bras, so, which I need to go get. I stick with black. I don't know why, but I just always stick with black bras. But I forgot the name of this shirt, but it's from the turtleneck. It's from Fashion Nova. The pants is also, well, the joggers are from Fashion Nova as well. I'm trying to get a good angle. Fashion Nova. I'm gonna put on my shoe dazzle shoes and my coat. Had those on in the Christmas haul, the Christmas try-on haul. I think I did. Yes, I did. I don't even know if it's that cold outside to take the picture, but who cares? I'm gonna use it and take the picture anyway. I don't think it'll be too bad. Or maybe I can even do like down the hallway. I think I might do down the hallway. So last time I had did my where's the piece? I just had it. It's not on there. Oh, I was like, wait a second. Last time I did my when I took my photos outside, I think I used, did I use my phone? I think I did use my phone. I'm not using my phone this time because it was real annoying. So I'm gonna just hook it up to my my camera. I'm gonna still, no, I used the clicker. That's what I was trying to say. Yeah, I used my phone and the clicker, and I'm not gonna do that this time because I was so annoyed. I was so aggravated. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna still use my phone because I have my camera connected to my phone, and it's easier to like focus in on it and everything. So yeah, it's easier to focus in on everything by using my phone. So I'm gonna show y'all real quick. Wait a second. So I have not the printer. My baby watching Mickey Mouse Clubhouse, y'all. Where is my, oh, right in my face. So I need to put my battery in. I ain't even put the battery in. Wait a second. I done did all that and didn't even put my battery in. Look at me. Okay, so I ain't got no camera or no, oh, I do got the Sims card in there. I was gonna say, I don't even have a Sims card. Okay. So I know I have a fully charged battery because I did not do anything with this battery, with this camera. I don't even really use this camera anymore. I mean, I used it for our Christmas photos. My husband keeps telling me to sell it, but I'm like, I ain't selling my camera. I am not selling my camera. It's good for something, like right now. But yeah, so I'm gonna take y'all outside. I'm gonna show y'all. I mean, my hand's not really gonna show, so I don't really think I need to put on lotion like that. Y'all, this is so sad. I still have the tag on this freaking jacket because I haven't worn it yet still. I'm gonna put this jacket on with these shoes. And then I have my purse from Fashion Nova. It looks so cute. Y'all see how cute it is? It has a gold chain on it too. But I'm not gonna show the gold chain. I'm gonna just show like the little purse part. So since my hand is showing, I probably should put lotion on my hands, Okay, so the plan with my camera, epic fail, but it looks like I'm gonna have to try using my phone because for some reason, I think that's why I never liked using this camera, because I feel like with the camera, with my Canon camera, well, this one, I feel like, I don't know, it just wasn't doing it for me. It was coming out it was too dark. So then when I got the, even looking in this camera, you can still see the light. And on my phone, it's the same way. So with that being said, plus I left my bag in here anyway. With that being said, I'm gonna try to do it from my phone. Hopefully it picks up. I know my feet hurt in these shoes. I know that. Okay, so I'm gonna try. I didn't like the using the Bluetooth last time because I feel like it was taking too long. It kept disconnecting. All this for a thumbnail. All this for a thumbnail. I'm trying so hard to make sure. And then now I have to take my case off my phone because it doesn't hold while it's on the case. So then some good pics. They came out cute. I think I got some good ones. I love this one. Okay. Okay. I think I got some good ones. I think I'm gonna do maybe a few more. I'm gonna do a few more. And then we're gonna go in the house. I am so happy. Actually using my phone this time actually worked out pretty good. Pretty good. Oh, my feet hurt. Oh, y'all. Oh, Jesus. Them dogs was barking, okay? When I tried to take those pictures on my back patio, girl, it was not working at all. Yeah, I don't know. I'm starting to think my husband's kind of right about this camera, and maybe it's because I don't put like a lot of effort into this camera anymore. Like, I don't really know how to use it properly. But this thing do not take great photos, and like, I don't know, I just have to reset it. I just taking the pictures by myself, no. But taking the pictures of something, like when I was doing like product pictures, they came out good, like flawless. But with taking a picture by itself, I don't know. It's just, it doesn't do it for me. And then I also have this lens. I have two different lenses, but I think this lens is for something that's far away, that's tiny. Maybe I need to take a camera, not a camera class, but like just Google and look up the proper settings for this camera. I didn't had this camera for so long. I don't know. I think I like the one, I like this one, because you can just point and shoot easy. Is telling you what to do right there. Like, no other extra stuff that I need to do that need to be done. No nothing. No nothing. It's 3:49. I'm supposed to be cooking tacos. My daughter, when my husband went grocery shopping, he had picked up tacos. He said, my daughter kept asking for tacos. She was like, I want tacos, like, for dinner. So might do taco. Well, I'm not might. I am gonna cook them some tacos. We having family night again. I don't know if we're gonna play games or if we're just gonna like do the tacos and watch movies and stuff. I know he forgot to get the chips. My daughter gonna trip because she liked the chips. But you know what? No, because I'm gonna try it with Doritos. We're gonna try it with Doritos. We got spicy, like, I don't know what kind of Doritos them is. It's like the hot Doritos, which they are really hot. So we gonna eat it with that. We got taco shells and stuff, but as far as like the tortilla chips, we're just gonna do the what I said, Doritos. Yes, y'all, my pictures came out. Ooh. Yeah, you can kind of tell at first they wasn't popping, because I did it the other way versus, see, I don't know if you guys can see, but like you see like the little gray area right there, that's when I had the camera, like I think I did it in like doing selfie mode so I can actually see myself. But I don't like how it came out gray. But when I turned it around, y'all, these came out so good. I mean, I like this one. Maybe it just needs to load. Seems a little blurry. But yeah, y'all. Oh, excuse me. Like, who is she? Like, who is she? I love it. Oh, I think this is my favorite. I think this is my favorite. Like, Fashion Nova better send me my, oh dang, where I put it. Fashion Nova better send me my check. Hello. They better send me my check, y'all. I'm modeling their stuff. Y'all, why I got this good picture and my tag showing? Okay, so I know not to go to those. Oh, this one's cute. This one came out good. That one came out good. A little blurry, but it's good. Like, y'all. Period. But yeah, I think I might need to put my waist trainer on. I haven't been waist training in a while, but y'all, your girl waist trying to go in a little bit. Like, I just want to get down like maybe 10 more pounds and I'll be good. 10 more pounds and then I'll start. I stopped working out, number one, because going to the gym with all this going on. Let me turn this light off. GRU is not my homie. But due to everything, like, I felt like I was like, I mean, I was taking it serious, but going to the gym with this going on is not safe. Because I was in the gym without a mask and other people was in there and I don't know who they'd be around. They don't know who I'd be around. So I just stopped going. And the workouts that I was doing, weights and the treadmill, I could do that other stuff at home. Like, why should I go to the gym and get on their floor when I can get on my floor at home? You know what I'm saying? So I was just like, So I haven't been to the gym in a while. And I said once I lose the 10 pounds I'm gonna lose, that's when I'm gonna start. See, let me see. I'm trying to angle it right. I need a new tripod, but I know I'm kind of crooked. But I want to, that's gonna bother me when I'm editing. Okay, I want to, once I get down 10 pounds, I want to start like working on my hips. So I've been looking up what to do because your girl already got a booty. I got a booty, but I want it to be like, I want my hips to kind of, I can't do it right. Like, I want my hips to kind of like, I want it to kind of, you see how it's just like this? Like, I feel like it just blah. I want it to kind of be like, I'm trying to pick it up. I want it to kind of be like this. Like, you see, I want a little bit of hips and I want this to be up just a little bit. I mean, that's not too far down, but. But I'm gonna be doing like my workouts it's some side workouts you can do. I don't know, child. I'm just trying to do something. I'm not getting surgery. I know that much. I mean, I'm not against people that get it, but I have my days. Some days I'll be like, yes, like I want a boob job, and then my battery's gonna go dead. As soon as I get deep and start talking to y'all, my batteries wanna go dead.